There's a voice. Every stop I make a new voice. Can't stay for long.
Joshi, what are you doing?
Practicing my ninja skills.
Whoa! And to think that Joshi's girlfriend would be on Facebook, you'd be right.
Jakelsm, what are you doing?
Practicing my ninja skills.
No. Scaring looks.
Mom Jakelsm.
Oh, did you know you are a girl?
I've been hearing a lot about you on Facebook. Hey, Facebook.
And this is the telephone.
Shit, oh my goodness, it's Megan.
But it has always been night down.
Bliss. Good. I should have known it was Harley Quinn. I should have known it was
The voice.
I should have known it was no shit. Why are you tasked? It's too early.
I don't really mind that much. I mind.
Shh.
Hey, this is the spot, isn't it, Jeffrey?
Nope.
Oh man.
I know, right?
Oh, that's it!
Now, where were you last night?
Oh, about that. I told you shit to go to Tatler's Galore so that we can go
Stay for long.
Harley Quinn.
Harley Quinn.
It's times like these in which I wish we did a day in Harley Quinn Club, but says... Oh good, CL, what are you doing?
Practicing my ninja skills.
Do what you want, 'cause a pirate.
Stay for long.
You are a pirate. We got a acid to lead us to a hidden box that's all locked up with box.